Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated goofy lamp, and a company from MD has sent this unit in for a customer of theirs. And this is the initial checkout of this really cool animated Goofy lamp. There's a note with this unit, and Goofy does not have any audio, so Goofy is not talking. We want to troubleshoot the main PC boards, and we also want to troubleshoot the timing. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool lamp, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool animated Goofy lamp, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention that anytime when you unplug or plug in the electrical cord to an electrical outlet, you always want to make sure that the main power switch at the back of Goofy at the base is in the off position. And if Goofy is going to not be used for a long period of time, then you always want to turn that switch to the off position. We have Goofy plugged into the electrical outlet, and we want to go ahead and turn on the main power switch. So we'll go ahead and do that. That little flash that you see is just an indication that Goofy has power, and depending on how the electronic circuit sets up, sometimes you'll see that, sometimes you may not. We want to go ahead and turn the lamp on.
Well, that's better. Now I can see what I'm doing. Yep.
Goofy has a lot of cool sayings when you turn the lamp on and off, and you also want to take a little bit of time before turning the lamp on and off too quickly. The electronic circuit that's associated with this type of lamp are pretty delicate. We can go ahead and turn the unit off.
Who turned out the light?
And we'll wait a second. We'll turn the unit back on.
Hello? Hello?
We'll give that a second. We'll turn Goofy off.
Where'd you go?
We'll turn the unit back on.
Yep, things are looking brighter already.
We'll turn the unit off.
Gosh, sure is dark all of a sudden.
And we'll turn the lamp back on one last time.
I got a bright idea. Just have to remember what it is. Yep.
Now that we know that this really cool animated Goofy lamp has been repaired, we can return it, and they can return it to their customer. I'm sure Goofy's going to look great wherever he's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.